Hey guys, it's Deborah from Timeless Jewel by Deborah. So today we are opening up, I think it's a 15-piece jewelry box. It's kind of heavy for the normal 15-piece. I received this on 2/10 of 2024 from Suwanee, Georgia. My last few 15 boxes has been fantastic. So I wanted to break into this one, and then maybe I'll go and find myself one of my older ones. So if you're new to my channel, I'm Deborah, Timeless Jewel by Deborah. I do unboxings of jewelry. I do live sales every Saturday, and I put out videos every Tuesday and Thursday at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. And my Saturday sales are 12 noon Central Standard Time. All right, February 5th is when I ordered this. Okay, the nice thing about Suwanee is most of the time everything comes in a package or air bubbled. Okay, it looks like no box. So let's go ahead and, our stuff's sticking to the paper. Let's go ahead and get that out of there. Make sure there's nothing stuck in here. There is not. So we're supposed to get 15 pieces. Looks like there are multiples in there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what I'll do is I will take everything out and we will get started. Let me go ahead and open these. It looks like there's maybe 1, 2. A lot of the times they do that where they put a lot of different pieces into one. This looks like just one, but man, that kind of looks like agate through the bag. Sometimes the boxes, nope, just one. This looks like 2 necklaces. And then it looks like some earrings. All right, so I will take everything out. We will go through it bit by bit. I will assign a number to each item, so that way what you can do is, if you're interested in any of these items, you can claim the item with the item number. You can email me at timelessjewelbydeborah@gmail.com and give me the video name and the number you are looking for. So, all right, I'm going to take everything out and we'll get started. All right, so let's get started. So our first item is number 1. That is the Belle Badley Mishka. Beautiful earrings. These are really lovely. And they are sterling silver posts only on this. They are new in the box. They are 2 3/4 inch, and we will do those for 12. Number 1 is 12. Okay, number 2 is a pair of Francesca. These are really pretty. They're like a brown wrapped string. There are, yeah, really beautiful gold tone. They are the Amara threaded wrap hoops. They are 1 3/4 inch. They are in beautiful condition. Number 2, we'll do those for 10. All right, moving along. Let me find these earrings. They've got stuck in something else. Okay, so these are called Love Your Bling. They are a really pretty, here, I'll show you the back while I got it there. Plush pink color. They are, again, Love Your Bling rose gold tone crystal earrings. They are 1 1/8 inches long. We will do number 3 for $8. Moving on to number 4. Let me get these out here. These are acrylic. Super pretty. I love the greens, and I love that that blue is almost like a London blue topaz color, but they are acrylic. Really beautiful. They are 2 1/2 inches long, and they're heavy, but not too heavy. So number 4, we can go ahead and do those for 6. All right, next up. Thank goodness for Google Lens, because these were not marked, and luckily I found them. They are J. Crew made in Italy. Look at these beautiful acrylic earrings. I love these. They are a poly resin. I didn't get you guys a measurement. Let's see if I can reach over here and find my measuring tape. They are, let's do it in inches. 1.5 inches. Absolutely stunning. Here, let me bring these up for you guys. Number 5, J. Crew Made in Italy earrings, and we'll do those for $16. Gorgeous. Number 6 is in the bag. I can't talk today, you guys. So these are Kendra Scott. These are gorgeous. These are like a platinum gray, almost blue. Beautiful cat's eye design, silver tone earring. These are the Alexa Drop Slate cat's eye. They're 2.5 inches. They will come with their bag, and we can do those for $40. They are beautiful. Number 6, $40. Okay. Number 7 also comes with the bag. So we've got a J. Crew bag. Look at these. Aren't they adorable? These are green resin earrings. They are emerald in color, and they are a thread drop earring. They are 4 inches. They're new on the card. Really beautiful. Number 7, we can do those for $20. Okay, let me move that over there. We're going to get to number 8. Number 8 is another Kendra Scott, and this is a ring. So let me put this on, show you. It is really beautiful. This is the Elise ring. It's a size 7.5. It is silver tone, and it's in beautiful condition. We can go ahead. Oh, you know what? There's some copper coming right through there. Since there's some copper coming, let's go ahead and we'll just do that for $10, since it does have the copper coming through. So number 8, Kendra Scott, and we'll do that for $10. Sometimes you don't see the flaws until you're under the lights. Okay, number 9 is a Kate Spade. It comes with the bag. It is Heart of Gold bangle. Really beautiful. I love it. It does have some scratching on it. It says Heart of Gold. It's upside down because you guys know that's the way I roll. There is the spade, and there is the Kate Spade marking. Now this does fit an 8 on the bracelet mandrel. It is a pretty piece. We will go ahead and do the Kate Spade number 9 for $15. Okay, number 10. This is pretty. Okay, let me get this up here. It's an Klein bracelet. It is 3 layers with acrylics. It is new on the card. It is gold tone. It is 6 3/4 inch. We will go ahead and do number 10 for $6. Number 11. Coach. So you get the bag. This is beautiful. So this is like a burgundy and black faux snakeskin bracelet. It is beautiful. It's marked Coach New York right there. It is lovely. I've seen a lot of the other colored ones, not as much the burgundy and the black, but it is beautiful. It does fit a size 7. We can go ahead and do that for $45. So number 11 is $45. Number 12, another bag, Recharge Semi-Precious Collection. Now this is by White House Black Market. Has its tag. It was originally $70. It is gorgeous. So you have Sodalite, you have cherry quartz, you've got aventurine, Sodalite, pearl, amethyst. I'm trying to see if I see anything else. And then it comes down to this tassel, wishbone with rhinestones. It is absolutely breathtaking. It is 34 inches to the Y. And what I mean by that is 34-inch drop. And then from here down, like the inseam, I would call it, from here to the bottom of the tassel is 4 3/4 inches. We can go ahead and do number 12, the White House Black Market, if I can get it back in its bag. I love this bag. I think it's really cute. We can do number 12 for $30. Okay, my numbers just like to slide all over the place. Okay. Number 13 is a Leah Sophia. I love this piece. It's got little cameo on it. We've had this necklace before. It has a key. It is silver tone. Here is your Leah Sophia mark. It measures anywhere from 32 inches to 35 inches, and it's called the Reach necklace. We can go ahead and do number 13 for $20. Number 14, I've gotten this brand a few times. This is Melinda Maria, and this is the Samantha necklace, not the baby. This is the Samantha necklace, and it is 18 to 20 inches. It's $108 on her website, but we can do $45. It is in gold tone with a teardrop. Number 14, if I can get my number to go, is 45. All right, and the last piece, you guys. Whoa, I don't even know. It's been phenomenal. Okay, if you love pink, this is your necklace. If you love agate and Drizzy, this is your necklace. So it is gold tone. We have beautiful pink agate. And of course, the pink is so bright that we know that it has been colored, which they do that to highlight the color. But it is beautiful. It is heavy. It measures in at 18 inches. It is a statement bib necklace. We can go ahead and do this luscious piece, and it's not marked. Can you believe it? We can go ahead and do that for $40. So what do you guys think? Don't forget, you're going to claim by number. Email me at timelessjewelbydeborah@gmail.com. Let me know what your favorite piece was. I mean, we got that. We got the Melinda Maria. We got the Leah Sophia. Say that 10 times. We got Coach. We got Kendra. We got Kendra. We got White House Black Market. We got Kate Spade. We got J. Crew. We got the Badley Mishka and the miscellaneous pieces. So, all right, you guys, don't forget, email me at timelessjewelbydeborah@gmail.com. Give me the number of the item and the date of the video, and I will have a sold list for you guys. So, all right, thank you so much. I will see you guys really soon with another video. And as always, be well, take care of each other, and tell someone you love them today. Bye, you guys.